Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A little twist to a 3D looking graphic. I'm going to try to do a better color this time. If you want to pause your video and take a screenshot of that, that's what we're after. So I'm going to take a rectangle, I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Right now, it doesn't really matter what size it is because I'm going to take this, holding down with the shape tool, holding down the control button, I can turn these corners in, get that shape. I'm going to rotate it a -45 because I want to work on this plane. Now, right here, I'm going to make it something even. So I'm going to make it 12 inches. I'm going to Control D and make 1/6. I'm going to hit the plus key this time and make 1/9. Now I'm going to take the first two, the outer one, holding down the shift key and grabbing the other one, and I'm going to hit L. Well, I did it in the wrong order. I want to grab this one first, then the outside and hit L. Then I'm going to grab this one and Control D. It's still selected, and then I'll select this and I'm going to hit R. So it put it to the right. And because we use 6, 9, and 12, we won't have any leaks and it'll be overlapping. Then take your virtual segment delete key and delete that top line and this little short line. Now I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to use red. I'm going to nudge it out of the way, and I'm going to nudge this back out of the way, and then I'm going to nudge this. And just looking at this, I was trying to figure out a way to make the interactive fill tool look more. So I think I'm going to put a, right here on this short one, I'm going to make it a little blacker. But we only got one really, well, we're going to do it with just one pass, but we're going to go this way and we're going to add a little darkness to this. But I really want it more so, and not so much up there. So I can kind of angle that, bring that in, and see that's the last, but and we could break that up in another scenario. I'm going to Control D and duplicate it, double click on it and move the rotation to the center. I'm going to double check, make sure it is. And if you don't hit that X, you get the shape tool, but that's not Corel's fault. Then I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. And that's what we get. Now, I don't like the two darknesses, but we're going to go with it. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate. Double click on the rotation and put it on that node and rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now you do have some space, some line space in between. Let me take away my indexing line. And you could overemphasize that by one, you could take away the lines or underemphasize that, and that looks pretty cool. I like it. So this is what you want. You want a long and a short, but if you'll use 12, 6, and 9 to do your formulation, you can do it by hand, but you're going to be off a little bit, and then you're going to have leaks. I much like the red one better. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.